In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Google Drive, a simple and quick process that lets you print your documents or images directly from the cloud. Whether you're printing a work report, school assignment, or a personal photo, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy. So let's get started and walk through each step together. First, open your preferred web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, the one that contains the file you want to print. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your files neatly organized into folders and categories. You can browse through them manually or use the search bar at the top to locate a specific document or image. After finding your file, simply click on it to open. Depending on the file type, Google Drive will automatically open it in the appropriate viewer. For example, Google Docs for text files or the built-in preview mode for PDFs and images. Take a quick look through your file to confirm everything looks right before printing. Now, look toward the top toolbar. You'll see a small printer icon, which is the print command. Click on it and a print dialog box will appear. This is where you can choose your printer and adjust settings to your liking. You can select the number of copies, page range, and even adjust orientation between portrait and landscape. For documents with multiple pages, you can also specify which sections you'd like to print. If you're printing images, you might want to explore the scaling options to ensure your photos fit perfectly on the page. Double check your printer connection to make sure it's online and ready. If you're using a wireless or network printer, give it a few seconds to connect properly before hitting print. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Print. Depending on your printer's speed and document size, it may take a few moments for the job to start. When it's done, you'll have your printed file ready to use, share, or file away. If you're using WAG Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, the process works exactly the same. Simply open the file, go to File, Zone Print, or use the keyboard shortcut Control+P on Windows or Command+P key on Mac. This shortcut is great for saving time, especially if you print frequently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to print directly from Google Drive. It's fast, convenient, and saves you the hassle of downloading files first. Whether you're printing for school, work, or personal projects, this simple skill helps you stay efficient and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides and Google Workspace tips. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!